have a house in Florida, so my wife stay in Florida. I have to live in work in New York because it's more money. Other time I stay in New York and try to cook sometimes. Never cook before. That's what it is. Mexican omelette. Try to cook Mexican omelette. Some onions, some garlic. So I don't know, I hope it's gonna come out nice. So let's see how it's gonna be. Yeah, first goes onion, of course. I'm gonna mix a little bit. Yeah, what the hell. I hope it's gonna come out nice. We'll see. Okay, let's wait for a little bit cover up. Onion, I don't know, sometimes it's to clean garlic, pain in the neck, to clean it. But they said, let's smash it, then chop it, then mince it. It should become out nice, right? We'll see. Oh, it's good. Why not? All right. Here we go. It's gonna be good. I hope so. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, we're gonna left. Yeah, let's mix a little bit. Yeah, it looks nice though. Yeah, that's good. For the left, you're gonna put garlic on the side. I find in the refrigerator a little bit bell pepper, orange one, and I have some green one, also bell pepper. I'm gonna chop them off. Gonna mix again. Chop the green pepper. It's gonna be good. Here we go. It's a secret. Do not chop off my fingers. Oh, and I also have. I'm gonna put some twist, some hot jalapeno. I love jalapeno, so I decided to chop off jalapeno as well. So, but to clean jalapeno, you have to clean everything inside. Because inside, and when you clean under the cold water, it helps a little bit because it's too hot, too spicy. Okay, let's see what's gonna come out. That's 4 jalapeno should be good enough. Gonna give me good spice. Yep. Here we go. Look green, look a little bit orange. Looks nice though. All right. Now finally, I got some Russian bologna called sardelki. I got one. I said decide to put one. One is enough. A little bit sardelki, bologna, for a little bit meat taste. It should be good. Okay, let's see. Here we go. Time for eggs. I decided to put 6 eggs. It should be enough for my son and myself. Let's mix good. Yeah, it's come out good. Yeah, it should be good. Put my, yeah, look at that. Even color is good, right? Put on slow cooking, slow heat. Put a little bit pepper, little bit, not much. And then I decided to put a little bit paprika for color, a little bit red color. Doesn't kill nobody, right? Okay, a little bit salt in my omelet. Here you go. Now I'm gonna go in. Here you go. Nice. Let's see. Let's put on. Oh, come out nice, right? Look at that. We're gonna move around. Gonna open it up. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah, let's put a little bit. Make a little bit faster. Open the parts. Let's slide underneath. Yeah, it should be good. Not bad. Let's see. Let's wait a little bit longer. Alright. It's not bad. Listen, I don't cook every day. I cook sometimes in weekend because every day I work for long hours, so I don't have time at all. So on weekend I make some breakfast. So breakfast should be good. Yeah, it's ready. Yeah, seems to be ready. Yep, it's ready. And let's put on the plate. Let's see how it's come out. Here we go. Have for my son, have for myself. I think he's gonna be appreciated. Here we go. Yeah, guys. Now it's my health. That's what I got for my breakfast today. Never cooked before, believe me or not. It's my try to cook, try to stay interesting, you know? Okay, guys. See ya. Bye.